Alright, check this out. What we got here is a BMW X6 2014. And what we've done is this car came with the original CIC system, and we've retrofitted factory style CarPlay onto the original screen, because these vehicles do not come with CarPlay. And with our system installed, you get full wireless or wired. You can also use wired as well on the original screen. You can use your original controller to switch to it. There you go. Just like the new cars, full CarPlay, fully wireless, all on the original screen. Now you can use all your favorite apps on the go. Google Maps, Waze, Spotify. All the sound comes to the original system as well.
Valentino drip. See like the way you grip my hips, cupping my breath, shading like silhouettes, spinning like pirouettes. You gave nothing, bitch. Thank you for zero net. Damn, Drizzy, another bit of rest. Shut up my intellect. I just want.
And you can always switch back to your original system as well. Also, you can still retain your reverse camera and sensors. If you want this retrofitted on your BMW X6, see the link down below for the system that we can install for you. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.